All right, so this was supposed to be a YouTube about what I get at the grocery store, how to maneuver your way around the grocery store. But then last minute, Pat was like, I'm here alone, I wanna come. So I was like, fine, come. And then I remembered what bringing him to the grocery store looks like. So enjoy that. We'll do another video just bringing the groceries to you here because it's kind of hard anyways in the store with a mask and stuff. So enjoy. And you might hear us talking about Myrtle. When Pat says code word, it means a code word for when he's being too much, pretty much.
I don't know why you guys weren't gonna bring me in the first place.
I just wanted to get in and get out, but it'll be fun and funny. And also, like, then I can know what you like. And I'm gonna get her some snacks, too. So
Good, who's some snacks?
Rudy?
My daughter? Do you know how good that video did? The one where you were like talking shit to me on the steps? This is getting weird. Just trust me, I know. It has almost 500,000 views. Okay, cool. I don't know why you like fight me on shit all the time.
Ready, let's go. This is broken.
Like, you make me question myself, you know? It's like crazy.
It's crazy.
350,000 views.
That's not half, though.
It's fucking good. It's good. It's like the second wife thing. So that's how we're gonna have to refer to you from now on. I'm sorry.
He is coming with us. Yes, and then what was the other thing? You changed your mind?
This is the worst fucking tripod stand ever. Why is it open?
It's hard to close. No, it's like a turn.
Oh my god.
It's like a turn and
It's like a what?
you like turn it and push down or something. Her kids came to look at the Halloween decorations and then got scared because I started yelling at Rami because he ran out. Fuck, what was the other thing?
Yeah, it definitely, Halloween definitely makes me happy. You know? I get why you like it so much. It's such a cool, you want to turn this music up more so that you can not hear the audio even less?
I usually make fun of them.
Because look at this fucking line.
I won't make as clean of a video in the grocery store. I'm not as comfortable there as I am here. You know what I mean? Like, I know my way around the store, so it'll be like easy.
We're going here. You've already made up your mind.
I have like the new iPhone. I'll have two phones, like he does, you know. So now, like, he has my phone. So I'll sit here and twiddle my thumbs with no phone. Now it's waiting in the car because he's cold. Love that you're coming. The one time I'm filming my YouTube, everyone's always asking me like, what to eat, what to eat. So.
22K, that's what I do, that's what I do, 22K.
Oh, I can't post it right now because I don't have her thing on me.
Yeah. Sure. I feel like this kale like goes bad.
Berries. Berries are the lowest in sugar. You go through strawberries like fucking crazy at the hospital. Super into fennel lately. And squash, you get a lot for your bang. I love Brussels sprouts and shit, but it makes me gassy. Egg white life. Oh, I like when they have the Brussels stock because then you don't have to get more plastic.
I'm looking for some cold water. Pretty simple. They don't have it? What the fuck is that? No, I didn't know. Black Ballon. You know that's the song?
My mask won't stay up.
You know who Alana Miles is? We all know the song. Listen.
Linda.
Like the song, I thought it was like Stevie Nicks.
No, I would think Alanis or something.
Nobody that anyone ever has heard of.
Pat, do you want any of this? Like,
It's this person.
Look, there's granola. You have enough granola. She's pretty. Muesli.
I wouldn't really go that
Some
far.
muesli.
Some muesli? You want some fucking muesli? Oh, I'm not good at this stuff. Oh yeah, but remember when we got these for like snacks? I kind of like that.
Yeah, the granola bars. Or the
Yeah,
PB&J
these
bars.
were good for my tummy.
She tried. She tried too. This is the peanut butter one. Peanut butter or chocolate?
I just got two.
Okay. You like figs? You gotta get the right squish. Avocados are a bitch. You just never know what you're gonna get, you know? You can't give in and be like, it was expensive and eat the shitty one because then you won't. It'll like ruin avocados for you. Trek miss. This would be fun for the party. Should I get some party stuff that's like dry so I don't have to think about it?
And he's like, you have to pick one, in or out. And I'm like, really?
Should have said cloth. or no?
Yeah, but now he's like talking
do
to
you
the
want
person
any
at the front.
Tea or...
Thing, and it's
This is why I don't bring him
giving me a
places.
problem about it, and it's just like, just unnecessary. You know, we don't need to be. He doesn't need to be like that.
Fucking guy. I guess he wanted to go outside to spit, and they were like in or out. They would let him come back in. These crackers are always good for parties. I'm just trying to get my groceries done. Why does everything gotta be like a whole thing with you? Just stay in the store once you come.
Well, what if I have to spit?
Then go to the bathroom.
The bathroom's closed.
No? Is it?
Yeah, it is.
Well, then swallow it.
Swallow it?
Swallow it?
Swallow it? More and more and more rules. More rules, more rules, more rules.
There, everyone's looking at us right now. Do you have rice vinegar?
I have a lot of white vinegar.
Is that the same thing?
I don't know.
Very helpful. Okay.
Well, I don't know. You want me to know something I don't know? I literally can't go anywhere. I can't go anywhere.
This
Weird
is my
rules and shit.
YouTube about food. Get out of
I
here.
just don't,
This is the no salt tuna.
I don't fit in with like what's happening in the world right now. I don't. I'm not like I'm not a rule kind of guy, and like there's been a lot of rules and a lot of control, and the world I think is going in a weird direction.
All right, it's about food. Jesus.
Yeah, well, you want to talk about food? Let's talk about food.
I gotta get some for the pups. Do you need any peanut butter?
Yes, I do need peanut butter.
I always go for the no salt almond butter, but I'm still good. Look at the pepper jelly.
Fucking crunchy, unsalted,
Okay.
from fucking unblanched
Lemon
peanuts.
curd?
Yeah, I'll have some peanut butter from unblanched peanuts, and you can grab the lemon curd. What the fuck? What store are we in?
Mixed butter.
I'm confused.
The iced tea.
Don't do that
Well,
to
I'm
me.
trying to get your attention.
Don't poke my belly button.
We have some people that are going to be like more COVID safe, so I feel like I could get a few like. I don't think they have any. Oh, all they have is kettle corn. Get it? It's only 6 bags. Maybe I'll go to Costco. I'm worried to find out where Pat is because he like goes missing and comes back with management. You know? Oh, I forgot cucumbers. No, thank you.
Wait, did you see the signal she just gave me? She just went
Pay up, bitch.
like life and death. You can't argue with that. Like the woman out there was like, he's trying to save lives.
A woman got involved in your thing too?
Yeah.
I leave him for 5 minutes.
How is me going outside and coming back in?
Did you tell him on the way out, I'll be right back, I need to sneeze?
Yeah, I said I'm like sorry, I gotta spit or something, and he was just like, look, either in or out, like you can't come out and go back in, like you can't do it because he has to like open the door, so he doesn't want to keep opening the door. It's just the rules, follow the rules, obey.
This is why I leave him at home, so you know. Alright, this is how I bag them to save the planet. He is going to be really not liking this.
What did she just say about me?
It's insanity.
It doesn't look like you brought enough
I do, they're in the
bags.
back seat. They're in the back seat.
No, I think this is dope. It's like, why waste bags, you know?
Okay.
This is fucking filthy, Veronica. That's the woman that said he's just trying to save our lives. Well, she believes in all this stuff. She believes what she's told, and she's willing to obey without question.
I can just, go somewhere and just participate on YouTube.
Yeah, I think
When I've had enough.
we have one. I don't know why you can't just stick to
Well, I can't say it.
Well,
I
then
can't,
come up with a new one.
I can't remember it.
Well, then come up with a new one.
What was it again?
Why don't you just say code word?
Okay.
You know what I mean? Code word.
Okay.
Just look at me and go code word. Myrtle.
Oh, Myrtle.
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 Myrtle. We like this milk, so it's annoying. You gotta come to a separate store for it. Real problem. You want to ride? About some watermelon smart sweets.